Hey guys, just wanted to quickly hop on and share this jogging stroller by INFANS. If you're an active parent like I am, this is definitely a great pick. It's a really nice, sleek stroller. Let's get into it. So one really cool thing is that it features these air-filled rubber tires with shock-absorbing suspension. So it's gonna ride super smooth on sidewalks, gravel, and even grass. So safety-wise, you have this rear wheel brake system. So all you do is take your foot, tap, and you're all locked. It also has the secure 5-point harness, so your little one is gonna stay nice, safe, and in place. The front wheel will swivel, so easy turns, and it'll also lock in place for jogging. I also love the fact that it has this adjustable backrest, so baby can sit upright or lay back and be comfortable. It also has this nice, really large canopy, so you can just go ahead, pull it back or put it up. And it also has this nice peekaboo window, so you can go ahead and peek on baby while you're enjoying your walk or your jog. Plus, you have all this storage underneath. You're also going to get cup holders for yourself. And you can also store your keys, your cell phone inside. And the baby has a cup holder as well that can be easily flipped up with one press of a button for easy access to the baby. And it is so easy to fold up. It has these two red pieces on the side. You're just gonna go ahead and put your fingers in. You're gonna just pull them back at the same time, and the stroller folds right down just like that. So you'll be ready for your run, your walk, your jog, go to run an errand. It really is a great quality stroller and beautiful design.